Today we're going to talk about forwarding the main line off-site temporarily. Maybe there's a company meeting or there's a half day. And so we'll talk about forwarding the main line off-site and then canceling that forward and returning it back to normal. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to my link for my admin portal. It might say Vonage up at the top, or it might say TPX. Either one will do the same function. I'll put in my user ID and password and hit login. And that will get me into my web portal access for the phone system. I'll hit services on the left, and that'll let me access the Hunt group on the right. So I'm going to click on Hunt group. It'll pull up a list of your Hunt groups. Typically there would only be one Hunt group for the main line. There might be two. If there's two, we would apply this on the second group. It's basically the group that sends the call to voicemail when nobody answers the main line. So for here we only have one group. We're going to go ahead and hit edit to get into this group. And so now we can actually see up at the top we're in the Hunt group, and this Hunt group is just named CHTC001. We're going to hit profile to get into the settings for that Hunt group. And if you go down here about halfway, you'll see under no answer settings, this is where the forwarding happens. It's set to forward the call after 24 seconds to, and this number, star 55216. And star 55 is a code to send to a voicemail box, and the voicemail box is 216. So that's the current normal setup. What I'm going to do here to change it for forwarding is I'm going to change our timeout from 24 seconds to 0 seconds. And then calls forwarded to, I'm going to go ahead and type in the 10-digit number I'm going to forward to. So that's area code and phone number. So in this case, 925-556-3400 is the number we're forwarding to, and after 0 seconds. And those are the two changes we need to make. We'll hit OK. And as soon as this updates, which it looks like it has, then we can go ahead and make a test call on our main line. We should see that call now forwarded to that offsite telephone number. And so that's it for setting up the forward. When we want to cancel the forward, we would do the same process, which is basically we'll log into the portal. When you first log in, this is the screen you get. We'll hit services, Hunt group, and then we'll look at the Hunt group. We're going to edit our Hunt group, and then hit profile to get into the information. And now we're going to change this back to our normal settings. So for us, that was 24 seconds. And after 24 seconds, it forwarded to star 55 to send a voicemail and mailbox 216. So 24 seconds forward to star 55 216. Yours might say something different, but typically that's sending it to a voicemail box or an auto. Now we can hit, as soon as we hit OK, we are back to normal. So go ahead and make a test call on that main number, and you should be back to the normal ringing flow. Thank you for watching.